silly thing. Come here.
That's disgusting.
We're trying to hiccup and sneeze at the same time, like.
Carl.
No.
That was only a real one. Are you making a video?
Yeah. No, she's just going like this for the
Oh,
fun.
I did it the first time.
I didn't know she was making a video. I thought.
I thought she was like taking a picture. Jeez.
Do it again. You did it so good. You were like. Try it again. No, you suck. Fail.
Tyler, turn around.
He cut his hair. He doesn't have the spikes. Like a porcupine. Oh, I did it that time.
No, I heard it wasn't good.
Yeah, anyway. Come on, quick. I got shit to do.